I brought gauze.
Why?
Just in case you fucking fall down or something.
You know, that's crazy because I actually thought about that too. Like, maybe I should bring some band-aids or something.
This literally is gonna take like 30 minutes. So. I'm just gonna do hand, alright?
Okay.
Or H. We'll do hand.
Oh, we should have put goose. Making a face.
It's because the sun's in my face.
It's literally behind you.
Oh, the kids are coming.
You're being recorded right now. This is a pretty background. Is that a threat?
You just cut it off right here. Bathroom break.
Yeah. Take this in there with you.